Hi, my name is Broderick Rodell. I am very excited to inform you that I will be offering a workshop series on cultivating resilience through village medicine. In life, there are challenges, setbacks, and obstacles to our dreams. There are unforeseen, unplanned, and unprovoked challenges to just being a human being on this planet. Resilience is our capacity to withstand these challenges and navigate the world with ease and grace. It represents our capacity to bend with the wind, to weather the various storms of life, the inevitable storms of life. But the good news is, resilience is learnable and it can be cultivated. And in this workshop series, I will be sharing with you some useful and practical tools and skills to help you build a lasting resilience so that you can manage and cope with the various inevitable challenges of this human existence. I look forward to meeting you and sharing with you these useful and practical tools for cultivating a resilience that will enable you to live a healthier, happier, and more vibrant life. If this sounds like something that you're interested in, please contact those wonderful folks at Village Medicine to sign up for the next upcoming workshop series. Thank you so much for taking out your time to listen and give me your ears. I look forward to meeting you and seeing you at the next workshop. Take care.